Hello, welcome to Hong Kong Airport.
We go to Thailand then?
Yes, destination Pattaya, Bangkok. Got the passport. That's my passport, and there is my America passport. Inside the CX-6 Cathay Pacific Airways goes from Hong Kong to Thailand, and this is what you can see inside. This is how we're going to put all these there. We're not getting any taxi this time, so we're gonna explore the how do you call this one? The express line here in Bangkok. This metro looks like the same as the Shenzhen metro. You can see the stylus and the way it was built. Of course, the people is different, but I can guess it's very looks the same as the Shenzhen metro. No, it's 8 o'clock in China and 7 o'clock in Thailand. The time is different. Alright, finally, this is the hotel. It's called Citadines or Citadines. Citadines, maybe. And I'm going in. Good morning, Thailand. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is what we can see outside. Sawadika, Thailand. Today I'm going to make a coffee. And I started here by boiling the water. Cuchara Timidor, this should be the one. Never mind this stuff in here, it's not belong to me. 2 coffees ready to serve. Rika is always busy on the computers, working table, and myself also is busy. What I'm doing actually, wow, this is doing Facebook in Thailand. Hungry to have the Facebook, as Facebook is technically speaking is not accessible in China. While in Thailand, it's always nice to learn new language. Just the same way as when I'm new in Shenzhen, I try to learn Mandarin. So this time, I will try to understand and learn some of the, the basic Thai language. Or just the general greeting. Laogong ma.
Bye bye.
And thank you is how does it say? Kukunka. Yeah. That's gonna be the basic course for Thailand language 101. In Thailand, how you going to say ni hao ma in Chinese, and in Thailand you are going to say sabarikap. That is sabarikap for man, and for the woman is sabarika. That's it. So we're gonna buy the SIM card here, and they need my passport too. And they're gonna scanning my passport. Maybe they are registering it. This is how we're gonna pay it in Thai money, and we are at 7-Eleven. We're gonna change the SIM card of my Motorola phone. Power it off. I'm sorry, she can't help it. Always talking on the mobile phone. Let's arrive here and we're gonna have a little prayer. Let's go inside. Well, according to them, we are searching right now. There is two ways in here. One is that you're going to return your wish, or you want to make a new wish. The process is entirely different. That is something that we are trying to understand right now. We don't want to make mistake. I like it. It's pretty unfortunate that we put the Baiyoke at where we have our dinner. Otherwise, I really like the taste of it. I cannot really stand it over here. So I better go. Like this piece over here, my favorite. I really like it. Can you just try just one in here? I really like that one. How much?
10 baht for one.
10 baht for one. Yeah. Coupon cup. Cannot even resist it. Really. Right.
Sweet. Spicy.
Wow. I should come back in here. This is the kind of foods that I want to try. I really unfortunate that we served a big dinner tonight at the Baiyoke Tower. That is the highest building in Thailand. And you're gonna have the Tung Yam Gung or Gong In Gong Tang.
Dong In Gong Tang.
Oh yes, that's the right one. Going to the 81 floor or the 85th floor? We're going to 77th floor for the Baiyoke buffet, and I can feel the pressure in my ear right now. Then an open sesame. There it is. Look at the view. Never mind. Just look at the view. Wow, this is at 81st floor. I'm not really sure how many meters we have from the sea level, but this is absolutely amazing. Yeah, we're gonna share for that. It's okay. Share.
Thank you.
You got? Oh.
I show you.
It's really fantastic. My gosh, I like it so much.
Over there. Amazing to be here at the Baiyoke Tower in Bangkok, Thailand. I love it.
And I remember France, Paris, at the Eiffel Tower. Holiday Bangkok.
Oh, tomorrow where you go?
Tomorrow just stay here at Bangkok. So last time I just practiced about Sawari Krapa.
Show you shopping around
okay,
Bangkok.
just see anyway, and let's see if he can understand. Taxi,
Yes.
Sawari Krap.
Sawadika.
He
Ni
can
hao,
understand me
sawadika.
now. Say ni hao, ni hao.
Sawadika.
Or it's gonna be the floating market.